Okay, everybody, it's March 31st, 2020. We're well into the coronavirus, and Shannon is here. She came up. She's going to make some lunch, and what we're going to do, it's going to be like a food review in a way, but just so you know, like I'm not hoarding stuff, but I do have ready to go. Like this isn't what we're cooking. Maybe we'll do another episode on this. I've got my bowl here of the noodles, box of noodles, right? The superstore or the warehouse store. I picked up 100 of these, the Keurig coffee pods, so I'm good for a while, right? And of course, I got my limit of one of these, right? I only got one of these, so that's good. Case of water, there's off camera. And what we're going to do today in this food cooking with Coach Rob, it's more of a review. I'll just walk off camera here and grab it. It's I picked this up the other day at, I guess it was Walmart, maybe about 2 or 3 days ago. We're going to share this Lewis Kitchen pork back ribs. We have to cook it in the oven. You can do it in the microwave, but I think it's better to do it in the oven. So we're going to get that going, and we'll be back when it's about to go in the oven. Thank you for watching. Okay, as you can see, I've preheated. Well, you can't see that. You can see that I've got the pan covered with the aluminum foil ready to put the ribs on. As we go over here, you can see we preheated the oven to 375. So since I just turned it on, it's going to take a few minutes. So we'll be back when we're ready to put it in the oven. So Shannon had a great idea. We're going to have some fries too. So we got the fries in there. Then in the bottom of it, I did put a drop of the oil, the extra virgin olive oil made by the Emma company. Right, so we got it over here, and we already got the oil in the bottom. So we're just gonna, and Shannon's getting a good shot of that, are you? Mm-hmm. You just mix it up in the. I think that's enough oil, like. Look good, Shannon?
Yep.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put them back in the basket. They were in the basket briefly before for about a minute, just to get the chill off them. There's a tiny bit of ice on some of them, but that's no problem. Like, so I'm going to put that on, and this is going to be good, right? So over here we got this almost ready, so we're going to stop the camera again, and I'll get it totally ready, then we'll show you what it's like before we put it in the oven. So as you can see, we got it on here, and there's a bit of extra sauce in the package, and it just says to baste it. I guess that's good, eh?
Yep.
So now we might as well continue rolling here. What we're going to do now is we're going to, well, I don't know what we're going to do. I guess we're going to put this in, and we've got our kitchen timer set for 22 minutes. And halfway there, living on a prayer. Doesn't matter if you make it or not. We have to turn it over. So there we go. And write down in the comments if you guys know what that's referencing to. Okay, thanks. As you can see, we got the fries out of the air fryer. So what we're going to do now is we're going to pull the plug on this. This is, we're going to stop that. I'm going to pull this out, and we'll put it on the counter here. Then we'll plate it up, and we'll show you when it's all plated. Okay, so there's that there, and where's my tongs? My tongs are right here. We'll turn it back over. Oops. Uh-oh. Oh. I guess it looks okay.
That looks good.
So what we're going to do is we're going to plate it up. In a second, we'll show you plated. Okay, we got Shannon on the camera. Say hi, Shannon.
Hi.
Okay, this is going to be hers. I'll plate mine up in a sec. So when we're all done eating, we'll do the review. Thank you. Hi, it's time for the wrap up now of the Walmart pork back ribs. Remember, this one is more of not a cooking demo, but more of a food review, which we can do those too. We can start doing like food reviews of different frozen dinners and different cooked dinners. And this one is made by the company called Lewis Kitchen, and it was pretty good. I think I could have had it a bit longer in the oven, but Shannon said it was fine. Anyway, it was pretty good, and the fries were good. As you can see, we got the Lambert Park thing on here. For when I help out at Lambert Park, I miss helping out with the track and field season, but because of this, the virus is going round, we have to wait for all that to be settled before we go back. Same with the Special Olympics. As you can sense, I'm a bit tired. I haven't been sleeping well at night, but I'm doing good otherwise. So please, like, we're all in this together. I know it's a tough time, but we will get through this. And please comment in the comments, or subscribe, or share the video, and have a good rest of your day. And of course, it's almost April. It's April tomorrow, and of course we're still in 2020. Okay, thanks for watching.